Last year, my friend Larry Reeves and I collaborated on a video about making a baseball bat. You may remember that from my feed if you're a long-time watcher. Unfortunately, the first version of the baseball bat blank that he made broke during turning. So he took what was left of it and made a mallet. During a recent vigorous hammering session, he broke the mallet. I was over to his shop recently and picked up a few skateboard scraps, including what was left of the mallet. I had this wacky and silly idea that I could make a spatula out of it, using the skateboard wood as the handle and a piece of walnut as the flipper. I rough shaped the walnut on the bandsaw, drilled a dowel hole for just a little bit of extra strength. In hindsight, I probably should have glued them together first and then put the dowel in, just so it would be aligned properly. Because when I put it together here, it was not symmetrical. I shaped the blade a little bit more on the bandsaw. Refined it with the rotary tool. Shaped it a little bit more with my disc sander. Thanks to Unita Abrasives for providing these gigantic sanding discs. This particular one is 40 grit, and I use it for shaping things like this. And finally, sanding, of course. I used my drill at first and then hand sanded the rest. I simply finished it with some Butcher block conditioner. Turned out to be a fun and silly project, for no logical reason. Thanks for watching Cammy's Garage.